To weather now. It looked a lot nicer outside and it felt good today, didn't it? The sun was out, but it was a little deceiving because it only got to about 20 degrees. But you know what, Scott? Steele is here to let us know what can we expect for this weekend and into the week.
Shannon, around here, fashion has to include some heavy winter coats, right?
Yes,
exactly.
A little,
When I want fashion, I stand next to Shannon. That's what I do. And good evening, everybody. Happy Saturday to you. Well, West Bend, good evening to you. Here's a live look from downtown West Bend. No flakes flying through the air, and you can see just a sliver of sun setting in the distance, and the clouds have rapidly increased in just the last couple of hours. And in your weather headlines, get ready for a grayer Sunday on tap with continued cold air in place. I think we're going to see a sizable snow as well coming our way. That looks like it's going to be here beginning of the upcoming work week, which we'll go over in just a moment. But going into the record books on this date, our high temperature 18 degrees, 5 below the low. A chilly start to this day, 37 and 23 the normal. So that gives you an idea that even though we've moderated our readings a bit, we're still way below where we should be, and nowhere near those records of 54 set back in 1895 and 12 below zero in 1884. Well, temperatures across our neighborhoods right now show huge contrast lakeside to inland. 18 in Milwaukee, 15 in Oak Creek. But you go inland to New Berlin, it's 12 degrees there. Also, if you find folks joining us in Waukesha, Pewaukee, and Genesee, and down to the south we go with a similar contrast. Almost 20 degrees still in Racine and Kenosha, but inland locations in Walworth County, Elkhorn, 12 degrees. Baker's Dozen, if you find folks joining us in Lake Geneva and also in Delavan. And up to the north we go, where readings have dipped into the single digits in Oakfield. Waupun at 8 degrees. It's 10 degrees in Campbellsport and 9 degrees in West Bend. Wind chills across the area now dipping down into the teens. Some locations in the single digits, 1 in Whitewater and 4 in Beaver Dam. Here's a look at the satellite and radar combination. You can see clear skies through the day, but a disturbance down to our south, spreading clouds ahead of it. A little bit of light snow, a possibility, some flurries on future forecasts as we go through the night tonight and into tomorrow. That would be about it. And then on Monday, we clear out nicely, but watch what happens. Late Monday into Tuesday, the next storm system approaches us, and future forecast snow accumulators showing across the state. Come Tuesday, there could be a sizable amount of snow, including around here, with perhaps half a foot. We'll have to keep a close eye on that. In the meantime, your storm team forecast for tonight down to very cold 11 degrees with increasing clouds. A few snow showers or flurries, again, not going to be a big deal. And then tomorrow on our Sunday, cloudy skies, temperatures a little more moderate, but still very cold for this time of year with highs up to near 26. Here comes your storm team for 7-day forecast. And again, the big story after a nice sunshiny Monday will be that storm system approaching us on Tuesday with a rain snow mix changing to snow. Temperatures bump up into the 30s, but we could be shoveling perhaps several inches to half a foot of snow. And then the bitter cold comes on back. Wednesday into Thursday, our high temperatures only in the teens, with morning lows Thursday, a possibility of 1 below zero. So here we go. A potential for shoveling snow, followed by nasty, bitter cold air.
I don't know how to follow that up.
Well, spring is getting closer. That's some
less
good
than
news.
30 days?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Tick, tick, tick.
Well, let's take a look at what's on TV.